Did you know that this Halloween, you could make money using artificial intelligence without even leaving your house? And no, I'm not talking about selling costumes or candy. I'm talking about using AI to take advantage of one of the most profitable seasons of the year. While everyone else is carving pumpkins, the smartest ones are using ChatGPT, Midjourney, or ElevenLabs to create content, sell products, and double their income. So stay tuned, because today I'm going to show you how to use AI to make money this Halloween, with ideas ranging from digital content to real-world businesses. And the best part, you don't need experience or investment, only creativity and the power of AI. Are you ready to make technology work for you while everyone else is looking for costumes? Let's begin. If you're watching this in October, this is the best time to act. Because Halloween isn't just fun, it's a global economic phenomenon. In 2024, people spent over $12 billion on Halloween in the US alone, and a huge part of that money went to online stores, content creators, and digital entrepreneurs. This year, you can be part of it too, using just one tool you already have in front of you: artificial intelligence. In this video, I'll show you 3 concrete strategies to use AI this Halloween, step by step, no fluff. One for content creators, one for digital sellers, and one for local businesses. And at the end, I'll show you how to combine all 3 to create a small, automated Halloween money machine. Take notes. What you're about to learn might change the way you look at seasonal trends forever. Let's start with the first strategy: using AI to create viral Halloween content. Halloween is a gold mine for anyone who knows how to tell stories or create immersive visuals, and AI lets you do it without showing your face or spending a dime. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate short horror stories for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Just tell it, "Write me a 1-minute horror story set on Halloween with a shocking twist and cinematic tone." Then, feed that script into ElevenLabs to narrate it with a professional or spooky voice. Next, use Midjourney or Runway to generate images or video clips to match the narration. Finally, edit everything with CapCut or Descript, add captions, and boom, you've got a video that looks like it came from a production studio, but it was made entirely with AI. Why does this work? Because seasonal content has a short life, but massive reach. In October, anything with Halloween in the title has a higher chance of going viral. If you combine that with AI-generated stories, you can post multiple videos a day effortlessly. And here's the secret. While most people are trying to be creative, you're automating creativity itself. That gives you volume and consistency, the 2 things algorithms love most. Imagine having an account that posts 10 AI-generated micro-horror stories a week. You can earn from views, brand deals, or even sell your custom prompts and scripts to other creators. Content becomes your first income stream. Now, let's move on to the second strategy: using AI to sell digital or print-on-demand products for Halloween. Here's where tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Midjourney, and Leonardo AI shine. Suppose you want to launch a Halloween-themed t-shirt or mug collection. Instead of hiring a designer, you tell Midjourney, "Design a minimalist vintage pattern of pumpkins and ghosts in orange and black tones." Or maybe something more original. Create a futuristic AI-inspired Halloween design like a robotic pumpkin in cyberpunk style. Export the designs, upload them to Redbubble, Etsy, or Printify, and your store is ready to sell. Now here's the trick. Use ChatGPT to write SEO-optimized product descriptions for the season. For example, write an attractive Etsy description for a Halloween t-shirt with an AI-inspired design using keywords like spooky, futuristic, tech, and pumpkin. That way, you show up in searches without paying for ads. You can also create digital kits, Halloween wallpapers, Midjourney prompt bundles, or even AI-generated spooky sound packs for creators. The best part is that these products don't expire. You can relaunch them every October with a small rebrand. Now, if you run or work with physical businesses, a cafe, restaurant, or local shop, you'll love this third strategy, because AI can help you bring in more customers during Halloween. Use ChatGPT to create themed marketing campaigns. For example, write a fun Halloween campaign for a coffee shop with slogans, social post ideas, and creative drink names. You'll instantly get ideas like Haunted Latte, Cappuccino from the Beyond, Deadly Discount, 2 for 1 if you come in costume. Then use DALL-E or Midjourney to generate professional visuals, posters, flyers, or Instagram posts. And here's an advanced touch. Use AI voice or video tools to create a digital ghost that welcomes customers on your screens or social media. This creates a memorable experience people will talk about and share online. At the end of the day, you're using AI to increase traffic and sales without increasing costs. That's pure business magic. Now imagine combining all three strategies. You create viral AI content that drives traffic to your digital products, and you use the same AI tools to help local businesses run Halloween campaigns. Content attracts the audience. Products generate passive income. Services to local businesses bring active income. That's an automated Halloween money machine. And the best part is you can replicate it for Christmas, Valentine's Day, or any other holiday. Halloween is just your training ground. If you master it now, imagine what you could do in December. Let me give you some real prompts you can copy right now. ChatGPT prompt. Give me 5 AI business ideas to take advantage of Halloween 2025, with practical steps to execute each in under 7 days. Midjourney prompt. Halloween futuristic pumpkin AI robot, cinematic lighting, dark tech aesthetic, 8K, AR 16:9. ElevenLabs prompt. Male deep voice, mysterious tone, dramatic pauses, 60 seconds narration. Canva prompt. Instagram post template in dark and orange tones, modern font, message, haunted discount only today. With just those, you can build a complete Halloween campaign in 24 hours. Halloween is a perfect metaphor for what's happening in business today. While many pretend to be entrepreneurs, only a few are actually using technology to get results. And artificial intelligence is the ultimate trick of the 21st century. The difference is, it doesn't scare you, it empowers you. So this year, don't just watch, create, launch, experiment. Make AI work for you while others still think it's just a trend. Because this Halloween, the real horror would be not taking advantage of artificial intelligence. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best is today. If this video gave you ideas or inspired you to start your own AI project, subscribe and turn on the bell because I'm about to drop a full series on how to build automated AI businesses step by step. Comment below which of the 3 strategies you'll try first. See you in the next one. And remember, AI won't replace people, but it will replace those who don't use it.